Sci209, welcome to week 1. Yay! Thank you again for being here. So let's go over what we're going to be doing this week. This week, you've got, just like you do in all your other courses, you've got some discussions. So your primary response is due by Thursday, okay? That way everybody else has some time to reply to you, so it's a real discussion. Remember, use paragraphs and start to use technical oceanographic and marine related terms. The whole point is to read and to start incorporating that into your own vocabulary. Now, do not delay on those, because then if everybody posts on Monday, well, that's not much of a discussion now, is it? Okay, you can do your 2 replies to either myself or to your classmates. Those again are due on Monday. Now this week you have your first big assignment. The assignments in this class run a little bit differently, okay? What you start this week, it's just one large project. So this is week 1 of a very large project. You are going to be building upon your work from this week into future weeks, okay? So we're taking a little bit of a different tact here, in that we're approaching oceanography from sort of an ecosystem biome level view, okay? And so what that means is that for these projects, what I want you to do is this week, you are going to pick a marine related ecosystem, all right? Pick one from that list, and it has to be a real one, okay? You can't just say, I want to work on mangroves. Which one? There's plenty of mangroves all over the world. It does not have to be in the United States. If you want to concentrate on something that is local to you, that's great, because that's a good further exploration. If you want to find out about something different that is not nearby you, go for it. It has to be on this planet. There's plenty of oceans on this planet. There's plenty of marine related ecosystems as well. So you've got to choose a real one and answer those questions that we have for you, like where is it and so on, okay? Now, with that being said, when it says an annotated drawing, okay, we provide you with several options. You can use computer drawings, you can use an iPad or whatever, it's still a computer drawing. It does not have to be that. It can be drawn by hand on a piece of paper, okay? So, just a sec. It's one of the perils of doing these videos off in the actual environment. So, you've got an actual tourist helicopter. So, what you're gonna end up doing with this ecosystem view is each week we're going to be building and building and building on top of it. So you're going to get a complete ecosystem view of this. You're going to actually create a complete ecosystem, all right? So I say I want you to pick a real one somewhere in this world, okay, somewhere on the planet, because that way you will have plenty of data and plenty of sources to choose from to identify the impacts, the currents, and everything else as we go on each week. Now, I am not the best person to be doing drawings. Simply do your best here, okay? So an annotated drawing is essentially you're going to be drawing the environment and you're going to be putting in various aspects that we ask you to. The annotation part is you're going to be writing some notes on there. You can include some notes separately. What I've seen people do is I've seen them do a generalized drawing and then have a Word document that has like numbers and related points. So i.e. A legend. Your drawing will be kind of a map. It can be from the side, it can be from the top. It's actually probably preferable to do it both, because we're gonna have a couple of different things, but your choice, okay? So ask me questions, don't worry about that. Again, the annotated part, remember, is you describing what we're asking in relation to your ecosystem. okay? So let me know what questions you have. You can pick any of these, all right? As long as they are real, all right? And this is actually a lot of fun because you're going to be doing a really nice, you're going to get to learn a lot about this spot in the world, okay? And I would suggest something slightly larger, more well known. That way you have access to lots of information. Now remember, you are not going to be using somebody else's pictures for this. You are going to be using your own drawings, okay? So don't worry about it. I don't judge. I don't review the quality of your drawings, okay? So if you have trouble, again, just do your best. Okay? Thanks again for being here.